Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn basic HTML tags using VS Code Editor. VS Code Editor, which is also known as Visual Studio Code. It's a source code editor developed by Microsoft that can be used with a variety of programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, HTML, etc. So let's see how to write HTML codes using VS Code Editor. Alright, so I have opened VS Code Editor. So first of all, what we'll do is, we'll create a folder anywhere. Let's say I'm creating it on the desktop. Let's create it by the name of HTML. Alright, to keep all the HTMLs at one place. Now, what I'll do is, I will say File, Open Folder. Here, I will open the folder which I have just made. So, I will choose HTML and say Select Folder. Now, as on the left hand side, you can see in the Explorer bar, this HTML folder is here. Now, whatever files you are going to make, it will be stored in this folder, right? Now, to create a file in this HTML folder, what I will do is, I will click on New File, give any name to the file. Let's suppose I say try. Since it is an HTML file, so the extension of HTML file is .html, right? This file, as you can see, try.html has been created here. Now, what I'll do is, there is some inbuilt code in this. To bring that inbuilt code, to bring that boilerplate, we call it formally, how to do that? I will press exclamation mark. So, what I'll do is, I will press shift along with 1 to bring this exclamation mark, as you can see it on the screen, and press tab key. Alright, so this code will come on its own. How did I do it? I pressed exclamation mark by pressing shift and 1 and then tab key. So this code, which is known as boilerplate, will be displayed on the screen. Alright, now whatever code we write in between body. This is the starting tag and this is the ending tag. Ending tag has one forward slash, right? As you can see here, this is the starting tag of head and it has a forward slash. This is the closing tag of head tag, right? So whatever code we will write, we are going to write it inside the body portion. Now let's try a very simple code. What I want is, I want to write welcome in the center. So first of all, I will use the code center because I want welcome to be displayed in the center. Then I will write welcome. Alright, and this, close this center tag. Alright, now I would like to see the output, how it is going to look on the browser. Okay, whatever code we write here, the output is displayed on the browser. How to see the output? There are two ways. One of the ways is, go to run, click on run without debugging. It will ask you whatever browsers you have on your system, it will display you here. I want to see the output on the Chrome. So I click on Chrome. So the output will be displayed here. As you can see, the name of the file is try.html. Okay. And welcome is being displayed in the center of the screen. So this is one way of displaying the output. Another way is, please see it carefully. On the left hand side, the fifth option is extensions. Alright, I click on this extension. I download Windows Live Server from here. Search for it. Okay, this is Live Server. You click on this. Now, it is asking you to uninstall. Why? Because it has already been installed on my system. But when you install it, but when it is not there in your system, it will show you the option install. You can just click on this. It will automatically be installed. Alright. Since it is already installed, so that is why it is asking to uninstall. But I don't want to uninstall, right? I'm going back. Click here to go back. And then after installing Windows Live Server, just right click here. And when it is installed on your system, it will show you option here when you right click anywhere on the screen. open with live server. When I click on this, it will show me the output of whatever I have done. It will open the browser and show me the output. Alright, this is the use of live server. So there are two ways by which you can see the output. Alright, so I have made a file in which I have written just a single line code. Right, now let's suppose in this HTML folder, I want to create one more file. For that, I'll have to click on the plus sign. Okay, let's suppose I say try1 dot again, extension has to be HTML. Okay, so one more file, as you can see, try.html is here, try1.html is here. Again, to bring that boilerplate, what I need to do is I'll have to press shift 1 to bring this exclamation mark and press tab key. Okay. Now, let's suppose what I want is, I want to write in bold. Whatever I'm writing, bring the cursor here. To write anything in bold, we use the B tag. To make it underline, we use the U tag. To write anything in the center, we will use center tag. Let's suppose I want to write that welcome and close bold tag, close the underline tag and close the center tag as well. Alright. Now let's see the output of it. Alright, I have made it bold, underlined and in the center of the screen. That's all for today. I just wanted to show you how to use VS Code Editor, how to write simple code in VS Code Editor. Now for more HTML codes, see you in the next video.